Ganun ng mga fashion magazines. How does it feel like na nagiging fashion icon ka na talaga?
Happy. You know, I always believe that fashion is an extension of your expression. I don't dress just to impress. I dress how I feel, and that's why, especially on Showtime, araw-araw kami nag-aayos ha, araw-araw kami nagbibihis. So, it's really like some days I want to turn up in a hoodie and ripped jeans, and some days I want to wear something butch. So it's really like I'm honored if there are some people who consider me their fashion icon because it's just how I express myself.
You mentioned nga yung pagdadamit mo everyday, almost everyday sa Showtime.
Yeah.
Paano yung mind mo? Paano ano yung susuotin mo?
I dress my mood. Kung ano yung mood ko sa araw na yon, that's how I'll dress. So, you'll see it. Like, today, I felt soft. So, naka-soft girl dress ako this morning on Showtime. So, it really depends. Like, some days I'll be wearing an outrageous zebra print. So, like, it depends on the mood, sometimes the weather.
How about, kasi pag fashion icon, naisip ng iba na parang dapat mas maraming syempre budget for the clothes.
No, it doesn't have to be.
Sa iyo, paano yung budgeting for?
Of course, I always set, in terms of like saving and stuff, I always set a quota for myself. Lalo na, ang aking financial advice for myself is, tabi mo na muna yung nasa taxes. Kasi hindi naman siya sa'yo. So, itabi mo na yan para hindi mo na siya i-consider na sa'yo. So, that's in a different account. And then I have a quota for myself in a year. Pag umabot yun, di pwede mag-shopping. So yeah, it's, you know, and I believe naman, fashion, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to wear branded all the time. Like, that's why I said, like, kanina, sometimes you can catch me in a white tee, a white t-shirt, denim jeans, sneakers, like, it doesn't have to always be branded.
Punta naman ako sa Showtime.
Okay.
I'm not sure if aware ka doon sa mga edits na yung mga funny banters ninyo ni Vice.
Yes.
Ano reaction mo pag nakikita mo yun?
Pag napapanood ko yun, pati ako natatawa. Ano ba yun? Sinabi namin. It's like so funny and like so nostalgic na parang ang nakakatawa pa kasi pag nag-watch ka ng isa, yung algorithm mo is actually all of that. So yung Vice Anchor, yung sinasabi nga nila. So I'm happy that people still enjoy it, na tutuwa pa sila. Tapos pagpapasok ako, sasabihin nila, ay may bago na naman tayo makukuha pang core moment. So thank you to everyone that's watching Showtime and appreciates that.
Does it make you feel conscious? Lalo na pag talaga may bloopers?
Hindi. I mean, ano ba, magsa-17 years na kaya kami or 18? At that point, hindi mo nyo na, wala nang iniisip na conscious pa kayo o hindi. Conscious kami sa overtime, pero other than that, enjoy lang kami. Enjoy, yeah.
And lastly, may folding question. Kasi you mentioned na nakikilala na yung mga Pilipino all over the
Yes.
world. Malaking issue ngayon yung sinabi about half-sleeves.
Oh, yeah.
Anong nasasabi mo doon?
I don't even want to comment on it. You know, I'm proud to be a Happy, but I'm also very proud of my Filipino roots. This is my home. This is where I choose to be. Everyone has their own opinion, but for me, I will always be proud to be Filipino. Diba? Whenever I'm on that global stage, I'm representing the Philippines. When I'm invited to this, the seat is for the Philippines. So, always proud. When they ask me, where are you from? The Philippines. So, I'll always be proud of that. Kanya-kanya naman yun eh. It's up to them. But for me personally, as a Happy, yes, I'm also proud of being half Australian, which was my dad's part of me. But I'm also very proud to be Filipino. At kaya ako nandito. Diba?
Thank you.
Salamat.
Very, very well said. Maraming salamat. Ngayon naman, from Pelikula Mania, we have Naz Tabares.
Hello, nabanggit mo nga kanina na may mga throwbacks sa kang nakikita online. Katulad ng yung Diyosa nga. And 21 years ng kampanya ng Cuba. Yes, di ba? So, looking back, ano yung parang project na sa tingin mo nag-determine or tumulong sa talaga kung nasaan ka ngayon?
Lahat. Lahat talaga. Whether it's Magic Kingdom, whether it's TGIS, or ano pa ba? Siyempre, Campanellang Cuba was my first title role. And then after that, Josa. And then, maging sino ka man pa ako. Tapos No Other Woman. So talagang lahat, everything played a role. And I feel na even yung timing ng bawat isa happened at the right time. Hindi siya sunod-sunod na parang everything was a slow climb. But I feel that's why I also super appreciate kung nasaan ako. Kasi pinaghirapan talaga sa 29 years na yun.
Yes, and sa 29 years, meron ka pang mga hindi nakakatrabaho. So, sino pa yung mga hindi mo pa nakakatrabaho na gusto mo makatrabaho?
Sino ba ba yung ko na? Si Papa P, hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho. Sino ba hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho? Sa mga actresses naman, parang lahat naka-work ko na. Si Angel, si Angelica, si Bea. Sino pa ba mga actresses? Maybe si Marian. Kasi naka-work ko na si Don. Baka si Marian, hindi ko pa naka-work.